EAS Competition number 2.
Competition?
Number 2.
Locations include Brock, Duck Creek Recreation Area, Peru, and Julia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Lima, and Odo.
Limaha and Odo.
Northwestern Lima County and southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Odo County.
Oh, sorry, I tripped on my cord.
Okay. Budapest definition and meaning.
Was located 3 miles east of Brock, or 6 miles northwest of.
Oh, let's see on the TV
In the capital.
with the EAS.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
It's going to be on TV?
This is
Yes.
our indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles.
Yep, here it is, guys.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brock, Duck Creek Recreation.
Okay, I want to talk to Dad.
Excuse me, sir? Mom?
Sir, I'm not a sir.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Here we go.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Lima, and Odo. The National Weather Service in Omaha southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Odo County, and southeastern Nebraska until 9 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles east of Brock, or 6 miles northwest of Auburn, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Close your light.
Cut one wire and that's it.
And I'll cut you.
Oh, really?
That's what you're trying to tell me.
I said I would cut one wire outside, not you.
That's what it sounds like.
Trying to solve a whole lot of issues with the wrong damn liquid. Jesus fucking Christ, what kind of mind bending
Did you tell that to the officer?
No, but you're telling me that you're going to cut me.
No, I said I would cut one wire outside.
I'm the wire.
No! One cable wire outside.
You didn't say that.
Yes, I did.
You didn't say cable wire.
I did.
Nemo noodles.
Cut one wire! That's it!
No, you didn't.
Okay, Jeffrey, come here.
I'll cut a
Where's-
wire.
With his language,
Why is there no sound?
speech patterns,
Because there's no sound. So we're gonna leave the game and we'll listen to EAS on this TV.
Alright.
Is
it open?
15 miles per hour, uphill both ways in the snow with no shoes, and we liked it.
This is a radar indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
It's on let's do on the cable box.
Entries.
You can watch it on?
We have to wait for the score banner.
Recreation area, Peru, and Julia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Come on, EAS. There it is, guys.
And quarter-size hail. For the following counties.
This is a radar indicated threat.
Lima and Odo.
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Omaha has issued
Expect wind damage to roof. Siding.
I'll send them on their way then.
Southeastern
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, right! We'll find out!
Thunderstorm was located 3 miles east of Brock, or 6 miles northwest of Auburn, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brock, Duck Creek Recreation Area, Peru, and Julian. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Lima, and Odo. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lima County and southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Odo County. County in southeastern Nebraska until 9 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles east of Brock, or 6 miles northwest of Auburn, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour.
I think the EAS, the TV, I think it's over.
This is a radar indicated threat.
What do you say now? We'll see you the next one. We'll see. Hope we get some more.
But save your battery, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Western Nemaha County in southeastern
Oh my God, another one.
Eastern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska until 9 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles east of Brock, or 6 miles northwest of Auburn, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 50 miles per hour
What do you say?
Hello?
Hello? Hello what? What do you want?
Another EAS.
What do you want though?
Same EAS I'm filming
What
on.
do you want? What do you say?
I want to film the EAS.
It's not on this one yet.
But we did it.
Yeah, but this is a different one.
Yeah, this is the same one.
For the following counties in Nebraska, Nemaha and Odo.
Well, come on in. What, Pete? In BTUs we used to need, once we do all the changes in this building, we're only going to need about this much.